No. I want to get back to my game. Doom. Alright, guys, welcome. So, we're gonna do this right here, that right there. And the game is called, like, I done forgot. I don't even know no more. I'm not gonna be really, like, talking really. What? Oh no, I didn't. I don't know. Oh, I don't even know. Why can't it not know? Where'd I put it, guys? I don't know anything. Alright, I think I did it. I did it. I'm gonna do one more level. This looks so cool. And I play other games, guys. Ooh, I like doing this. This is so cool. Dude, I have to play that sometime. I've never even got the game. Oh, sure. Heh. Alright. Hurt to be. Alright, guys. Here we are putting Gotoki to 8. This looks like it hurts to me. Hurt to be. This beat is it. Wait. Alright, I did all those. Wait, let's restart this. Beat is fun. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, but make sure to like and subscribe, please. Bye.